Hey guys, my name's Isaac Hernandez, founder of Paso Creatives. So we have a website if you guys want to check it out, pasocreatives.com. And so it shows our mission statement, our vision, what we're trying to do for the community as El Paso for creatives as a whole. Today we're having an event. It's going to be a photography workshop, modeling workshop, networking event. So if you want to get started in photography, modeling, definitely come out and meet people. A simple hi could change your life. I noticed that a bunch of artwork here in El Paso, people just see it, but it doesn't get enough attention, or people want to get started, but they're struggling because they don't know who to look for support. They need a support system. And so I was thinking, well, what if we build a community where we all want to grow together and we all want to inspire each other and help each other out, and we all grow together like as a creative family. So today's event, we actually came up with it together, me and my team, and as well as we have help from Lizette. Her Instagram is Photography by Lizette, as well as Regaza Bazaar. She's our modeling sponsor. Her agency is Regaza Bazaar, and so she's helping us out in doing the modeling side of it, teaching models the basics of modeling 101, all the way to getting out there and kind of presenting themselves professionally.
I'm here supporting El Paso Creatives, which is a brand new little group in El Paso with young talent, photographers and models who are aspiring to become professionals in El Paso. So I'm here to support their event, give them guidance, mentor them, and give opportunities to those aspiring models here in El Paso. And that's what we're doing here today.
So different photography workshops right now, we have maternity and newborn. We're trying to do a portrait photography. And so any other professionals that want to come out and set up a little studio and they want to share their experiences, they could also do that, set up their little booths and teach other people. I told myself, I was like, I want to do a little bit more than just photography. I want to connect with other people, and I want to find a way where I could just meet somebody and we could go to this event and get a bunch of cool pictures or content out, just do what we love to do. In my head I was thinking, well, I want to meet new people and stuff. So I kind of drifted away from photography, and I was like, well, let's make a community for everybody and have everybody who's struggling with this find a solution for it. And so that's pretty much how this came out to be, and that was my story of going into just trying photography, videography, graphic designing. And I found out that I liked all of them, but I don't fit into a certain one, and I kind of just wanted to do something as a whole together with it. And so this is like my perfect opportunity to just bring everybody together with different types of artistic styles. I just can't